Cured eggs are a great addition to many recipes, like macaroni and cheese and noodles, and they are so easy to make. Let's see how. You will need a scale to measure the salt and sugar. You will need about a kilo of each, 1 kilo of salt and 1 kilo of sugar, equal amounts. This is the salt. Don't forget to have a big enough plate to hold that 1 kilo of salt. You will need a plastic bag large enough to hold the 2 kilos of sugar and salt. Pour the 1 kilo of salt into the plastic bag without any spillage. We will do the same for the sugar, 1 kilo also. Add your 1 kilo of sugar to your 1 kilo of salt, and that's your mixture ready to be used and cured those egg yolks. Now, I have seen many varieties of mixture for cured eggs that include some spices being added into the salt and sugar, but for a starter recipe you really cannot go wrong with just salt and sugar. Maybe later on you can experiment with the spices. Don't forget to shake that bag well. To make sure that you have the right storage containers for those egg yolks to cure, you just need to make sure that you can bury a whole egg in it. Here, with this plate, I can definitely bury 2 eggs, so I'll be curing 2 egg yolks. Start by filling up the container halfway through with the sugar and salt mixture. Make sure you shake the storage container to level up the sugar and salt. Using 1 whole egg, try to make an indentation in the salt and sugar mixture for your egg yolks to sit at. And now we start breaking the eggs. What we need to do is separate the white from the yolks, because we will be only using the yolk. If you're looking for interesting ways to separate your eggs, I made a great video that I will leave in the description. This should go without saying, but the egg yolk must never break. If it breaks, then you need to start separating another yolk. That's why you need to work carefully and gently, making sure that those shells never break those yolks. It's time now to bury those egg yolks with the rest of the salt and sugar mixture, but this has to be done carefully as well so we don't break the egg yolks. I recommend not pouring the whole mixture in, Just using your hand, gently cover the egg yolks until it is buried completely and you cannot see it. Gently level everything up using your hands before covering and let it cure in the fridge for 3 to 4 days maximum. The tools that you will need for excavating those eggs: a plate and a brush. Slowly start digging out those egg yolks, just in case they are not set for some reason. Brush away the excess salt and sugar. Once the egg yolks has been found, you can now throw away your sugar and salt mixture. Any remaining salt and sugar that was not removed with the brush need to be rinsed under tap water. Using paper towel, pat them dry. This is the end result. Let's cut one of them through and see the inside. It should be dry completely with no wet bits. I will call this result a success. To serve, you just need to grate them on your favorite dish. I like to add them to noodles and to some pasta dishes. Maybe 1 or 2 rice recipes as well. To store them, I would say just keep them in the same container that you used for curing, but without the sugar and salt, and keep them in the fridge. They should last for up to a month. Let's now enjoy the cured eggs with the noodles. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button and sharing your videos with your egg eating friends.